Good morning and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ian S. Campomanes. Today, I'd like to share with you about the online student management system for Palatiw Child Development Center. This video, we will discuss why we create this system and how this system could help. I would like to introduce the researchers that are responsible for this study. Me, John Poliego, and David Asaya Mabilangan. These are the highlights of this video. Number 1. Introduction of the study. Number 2. Statement of the problem. Number 3. Scope and limitations. And 4. Architectural framework. The reason why we chose this project because we want to help the teachers in the Palatiw CDC or Child Development Center. In these modern times, there are still institutions that use traditional of storing of data of the students where they still use papers and folders or envelope to keep the records of the students. We come up with the idea why we not make a system that help the process of the teachers to ease their paperwork and keeping of the data of the students. The use of it. These are the introduction of the study. The use of the student management system has improved the effectiveness and performance of the educational sector in recent years and is well organized, user-friendly, and dependable. It is commonly referred to as a Student Information System or SIS that aims to store, manage, and disseminate information efficiently, manage things, and provide real-time status updates of the student records. Statement of the problem. In this slide is the general problem of the project and how the system will resolve this issue. What system can be developed for Palatiw Development Center that can be used to coordinate scheduling, school activities, and communication between administration and faculty regarding students?
Now, I'll present to you the next topic, which is specific problems. There are 5 problems that we listed, which are: first, how will the system organize reports of the faculty and students? Second, how will the system streamline the enrollment activities? Third, how will the system track the students' progress to make the best decision for the students' learning path? Fourth, how will the system help the teachers to evaluate the students? And last, how the system will monitor the health record of the student. Now, we're going to tackle the scope and limitation of the study. Generation report. Teachers are required to produce reports. Hence, the system provides generation of report feature to reduce the effort of working manually. What are we talking about here? Rather than the teacher work manually by using pen and papers, the system will reduce the time-consuming work of traditional way. It will generate reports like master list, health monitoring evaluation, and more. Next, enrollment system. The system will facilitate the registration and admission activities. It will cater both online and in-person enrollment. Next, student management. The system will manage a student record that includes the student health management system. It is readily maintained, tracked, and monitored by the teacher.
Good day, everyone. My name is John Poliego, and to continue scope and limitations of the study, health monitoring is also included in our scope. The teachers can use children's health records to identify preventive health needs such as immunizations or dental care, to create special care plans for their children's with chronic illnesses or unique health requirements like asthma, and to decide whether to accept or reject the child into their care. We all know that health programs or like feeding programs or other healthcare related programs are widely implemented all over the schools here in the Philippines. And it is really be beneficial for the department to include health monitoring in the system because, of course, the department also prioritize health the health record or the health progress of every child in the daycare. Lastly, the administrator. The system allows the admin to manage and administrate the users and to collect reports from the teachers. This is the architectural framework. As you can see in here, the user or the teachers, let's say, have the access to the student management system. They have the ability to register or do the enrollment process, let's say, in here. They can monitor the health of their children or their students, and then they can evaluate their students. All of this information will be stored in the database. Um, Also included in the system, it will um, it will generate reports for the teachers and for the admin.
Hi, my name is David Desai Mabilangan and I'm presenting to you the Pasig City Palatiw Daycare Service website. As you can see here, this is the home page, announce page, about page, contact page, enrollment button, and last, login.
Hello, this is the enrollment page where the parents will put the information of their child. In here, as you can see, this is where you put the basic information of the child, like name, date of birth, age, their religion, birthplace, gender, and so on and so forth. This is another part of where the child health information, what their disabilities, vaccination status if they're vaccinated, and the parents' information, where the parents will put their information to the system. And this is for the internet information, their connectivity, mobile data, fiber optic, DSL, or cable modem. And once the all information put together, they will click the submit, and all the data will be transferred to the database where the teachers will manage all the data.
Good day to all. For the continuation of the system demo, let us log in here as a teacher. This is user here. You can see in here that the teacher we're gonna see in the dashboard will be the total number of enrollees and the total number of students in their master list. Here in enrollees module, every time that a parent will submit a form, it will be recorded in here, and the teachers will have the ability if they wanted to remove the information or they want to verify it. Here in the verify page, it listed all the informations that we inputted from the form. They will also identify here if there are any missing information so that they can contact the parent or they can submit the um, sub required forms to be submitted to the daycare. Here is the add to the master list so that the teacher will not be inputting it manually again, so that the information in here will be transferred to their official master list. Here in this module, obviously, are the official students who are included in their master list, and that the teacher will have the ability to remove the student or to view their information. Just like the information, the enrollees is the same. Um, if the teacher wanted to print the master list, they can click in here and then we'll proceed to this page, and we're gonna see in here the table form of the master list and identify in here who are the students included. They will have the ability to choose if they wanted to print this form or not. But as for now, let us cancel that. As well, here in the monitoring module, the teachers have the ability to monitor the health of their students, official students from the master list. They can edit and they can identify who are overweight, malnourished, etc. And also, they can print um, every form of the monitoring health record of each of their students. As well, here in the evaluation, they have the ability to evaluate their student, view information, and to print their evaluation form of each of their student. Now, let us proceed to the admin. Let us log in the admin and hit the enter. As you can see in here, the dashboard of the teachers and the dashboard of the admin is the same, where they can see the total number of enrollees and the total number of students in their master lists. In the users module, the the admin will gonna see who are the users who have the access from the system, specifically the teachers. Teachers account will be shown in here. In the announcement module, the admin will have the ability to post announcements that will be shown in the announcement page on the public website. And in the school year, um, the admin will have the ability to change the school year or to identify which is the current school year. That's all.